Assalamu alaikum. How are you learners? I am Nadia Mughal. This is my fourth lecture for class 1. Subject English language. Topic the Mulberry Bush. Now learners, open your textbook page number 9. The mulberry bush. Mulberry is basically a tree with purplish red and berry-like fruit. So let's start from the vocabulary words. The first word is bake. To cook food such as a cake in an oven. Early, before the usual time. Iron, to make clothes smooth. Sweep, to clean something by moving dirt away with a brush or a broom. Let's start reading. Here we go round the mulberry bush. The mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. This is a tree of mulberry or mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. These are the jobs we do all week, do all week, do all week. These are the jobs we do all week, so early evening, so early every morning. This is the way we wash our clothes. Wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes, so early Monday morning. This is the way we iron our clothes. Iron our clothes, iron our clothes. This is the way we iron our clothes, so early Tuesday morning. Now underline the words round, R-O-U-N-D, round. M-U-L-B-E-R-R-Y, mulberry. B-U-S-H, bush. The next word is morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. E-A-R-L-Y, early. E-V-E-R-Y, every. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. So these children wash their clothes on Monday morning and iron their clothes on Tuesday morning. Okay. Underline the words iron, I-R-O-N, iron. T-U-E-S-T-A-Y, Tuesday. Let's talk about the answer questions. The first question is, who is speaking in the poem? We can write the answer children or children are speaking in the poem. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Question B, what jobs do the children have? What jobs do the children have? Or what do the children do in a week? Washing or ironing clothes. Washing and ironing clothes. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. A-N-D, and I-R-O-N-I-N-G, ironing. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Washing and ironing clothes. Question C, what do the children do on Tuesday? What do the children do on Tuesday? Children iron their clothes. Or you can write iron their clothes. I-R-O-N, iron. T-H-E-I-R, their. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Question D, how many days are there in a week? You know how many days are there in a week or in 1 week? Yes. There are 6 days? No. Yes, 7 days. S-E-V-E-N, 7. D-A-Y-S, days. There are 7 days in a week or in 1 week, or you can write only 7 days. Come on textbook page number 21. Part B. This rhyme can be sung. Listen to the song, learn it, sing it with actions. Here is what happens on the other days of the week. Wednesday, clean the floor. Thursday, make our food. Friday, mend our clothes. Saturday, bake the bread. Sunday, sing and play. Part C. Work in pairs. Talk about the pictures below. Ask questions like this. Who is this? What is he or she doing? Give answers. This is Imran. He is or she is reading. You may use these words. They tell us what the children are doing. So we can make questions like, what is Ali doing? What is Imran doing? Or what is Parveen doing? So we can answer, or we can give answer by taking the words from the given words. Ali is sleeping. Imran is reading a book. Parveen is brushing her teeth. Sadia is washing her clothes or hands. Sadia is washing her hands. What is Salman doing? Yes, Salman is combing her hair. What is Farah doing? Farah is carrying food. Part D. Talk about what you do every week. What do you do at home? What do you do at school? Or what do you do at the weekend? Part E. Activity. Days of the week. Write these days of the week in your notebook. Can you make a calendar for this month? Find a picture or draw one for your calendar. Try to draw pictures of something you do each day. So learners, you have to make a calendar on your notebook like this calendar and write activities. What do you do on each day? Okay learners, Allah Hafiz.